Now we're here in Pueblo del Sol subdivision, and I'm excited to show you this brand new house and lot for sale here in Tagaytay City. So this has a lot area of 256 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters with 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and 2 vehicle carport. So let's go! So we'll make our way dito sa inyong pedestrian entrance, which will lead you to your porch, which is already tiled. And going on the side, dito yung inyong vehicle carport. So kasya dito yung up to 2 vehicles, but if you have small cars, kasya dito up to 3 cars. Yan, so it's already tiled na. And yung walling natin and even the ceiling has its wooden design to give you more attractive. And also, we have pin lights up there. And meron tayong faucet for your car wash. And dito naman sa side na to, meron tayong pathway going to your backyard. So, going on the other side naman, let's make our way right here. Dito naman, meron din tayong pathway going to your lanay and also to your backyard. And on this side, makikita nyo yung perfect view ng inyong house. Ayan. So, let's go inside naman to your house. So, this is your main door, which is made of mahogany. We have a smart door lock and meron na siyang camera. Yan, so let's go inside. And pagpasok nyo sa loob, it will be greeted you a double high ceiling with a beautiful chandelier up there. So this is one of the best property that we're gonna show you here in Tagaytay. So if you started to like this video, please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So by the way, we're here right now on your reception area or your living area. So, as what I have said earlier, we have a double high ceiling. So, meron tayong solid fixed window up to the ceiling on this corner. And on both sides, meron tayo naman sliding window or a UPVC sliding window if gusto nyo naman ng fresh air. And you will also notice yung ating walling is made of wooden clad or wood cladding, yan, to give its own design. So, going here naman, so meron tayong stairs at the center, which is going up to the second floor. But before that, we're gonna show you the whole ground floor. Yan, so this is your bedroom number 1. So, ito yung inyong guest room naman. So, meron tayong modular cabinets on the side and meron din siyang own CR. Yan. So, dito yung own CR. So, meron na tayong sink, may mirror, may toilet bowl, and partially enclosed shower set. And if meron naman kayong grandparents that is having a hard time to go upstairs, so pwede rin sila dito since nasa ground floor lang siya. Okay. So besides the first bedroom is our powder room. So for our guests or for you also. Yeah, so we have a powder room. So meron na rin siyang sink and a bowl. So this is our toilet and bath number 2. Okay. So by the way, dito sa property or house na ito, we have a split type air condition. Yan. So dito sa ground floor is also aircon. And this will be your kitchen area. So meron na tayong island counter which is made of quartz. So meron tayo ditong pantry cabinet. Ayan. So it's made of modular cabinets. So you can place your foods right here, which will be your pantry area. Okay. We have also a 2-door refrigerator. We have a sink, a faucet. We have a dishwasher. So it's automatic right here. We also have a circular rack right here, so you can place your utensils, and modular cabinets overhead and underneath. And also we have this electric cooktop and range hood. So we have an open cabinet right here, and an oven, microwave oven, and also an enclosed cabinet. And right here under your island counter, we also have the cabinets or modular cabinets on this side. All right. And by the way, we have also sockets right here. And looking up to the ceiling, we have own design chandelier for your island counter. So dito naman sa area na to, you can place your dining tables and chair. So meron na siyang chandelier and spotlights on both sides. On this side, we have a sliding door which leads you to your lanai. Right here. So it's also made of UPVC. Kaya mapapansin nyo, smooth siya when you open and close the sliding door. Yan. So dito naman sa lanai, it has a wooden design also, which is made of PVC. And this side is also has its own wooden design. Okay. So now, let's go to your dirty kitchen right here. So, tabi lang siya ng inyong show kitchen area. So, dito naman, ang inyong dirty kitchen. So, meron siyang gas stove and also faucet and sink. And meron tayong front load. This is front load washing machine. So, meron na rin siyang mga modular cabinets and even the gas stove. Here, meron na siyang range hood. So, meron ding modular cabinets overhead. And dito naman, sa side na to, yung inyong maid's quarter. Ayan. So, even on the maid's quarter, meron na siyang modular cabinets. And meron din silang own CR right here. So, meron na ring sink, may faucet, may toilet bowl, and yung shower set. Okay. So, before we go to the second floor, I'm gonna show you. So, before we go to the second floor, so this door will lead you to your service area. We have a water tank right here. And also, yung ating faucet here is meron ng hot and cold. So, dito naka-set up sa cabinet na to yung centralized water heater natin. And on that side naman, I want also to show you this. So, dito natin ilalagay yung ating gas tank. So, yung gas tank natin is placed outside for safety purposes. Okay. So, let's go back inside. So now, let's head over to your second floor. This is your stairs going up to the second floor. It is made of mahogany and our railings is made of PVC. And going up to the second floor, you have a picturesque of sky from below. So right here, it looks like a picture frame and you have a perfect view from outside. So on the second floor naman, we have 3 bedrooms. But before that, I want to highlight this part of the house because on this side, meron kang perfect view sa labas from the corner window over there. So dito kita nyo rin yung inyong chandelier sa living area. So kita nyo dito yung inyong living area sa baba. And also, we have a chandelier here on the stairway. So, going here naman, ito yung inyong family area. Yan. So, pwede nyo rin itong gawing bedroom if you want. Pero ito yung family area nyo as of now. And meron tayong entertainment console. So, pwede nyo dito set up yung TV. Nandito na rin yung inyong mga wirings for your CCTV. So, this house is built with CCTV. Meron din tayong split type air conditioner. And we have a sliding door going to your balcony. Ayan. So, dito sa balcony na to, kita nyo yung inyong front yard. Ayan. So, up to dito sa side na to. Alright. So, going now to the second bedroom. So, you will also notice here on your walkway na meron din tayong wall cladding right here. And on this side naman, this will be our third bedroom. Yan. So, it has also a wood design. Meron ng modular cabinets. So, meron tayong open shelves. May entertainment console. And dito naman, meron tayong split type aircon. And even the ceiling natin has its wood design. Let's head over to your fourth bedroom. So by the way, dito sa second floor, we have a common bathroom. So we have a sink, a faucet, a toilet bowl, and a partially enclosed shower set. Okay. So beside your common bathroom, meron tayong, this is your bedroom number 4. Yan. So meron na rin siyang modular cabinets with split type aircon, meron na rin open shelves, and entertainment console. Yan. So even the ceiling, it has a wooden design and a chandelier which matches the wooden design. Okay. And now, this is our last bedroom, our bedroom number 5. So this will be also your master bedroom. It has a bigger size than the other 2 bedrooms. So meron na rin siyang open shelves, may entertainment console with split type aircon. And last but not the least, on the master bedroom, we have also access to the balcony. So this is a private balcony only for master bedroom with a sliding door which is made of UPVC. Yan. So dito naman, it's facing south or on the backyard of your house. And yung sunset natin is over here. Okay. And what's good on your master bedroom, meron siyang walk-in closet. So meron tayong modular cabinets on this side and even on this side. And also, we have a large or your toilet and bath. So meron na siyang toilet bowl, may sink and a faucet, and a partially enclosed shower set. So all the CR here has the same design and color. Yan, so it's black and gray. And yung faucet natin, as what I have said earlier, is meron na siyang hot and cold. Yan. So centralize yung mga water dito. Faucet, water faucet. Alright. I think that's it. So just a recap, this property has a lot area of 256 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters with 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and 2 vehicle carport. So if you are interested in this property, please contact CH Properties, which you can find on the details below. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see you on our next house tour. Goodbye!